One of the most important training tools, in my opinion, is dummy rounds. And you can get these on Amazon, different websites, and they're fairly cheap, but it really helps with your loading method, whether you do inboard outboard method, or if you do violin method and quad load, which this is more of a self-defense thing. So you can just drop them in there, hit the bolt release, and press. And with semi-automatic, you have to rack it back, but with a pump, you can really run through the entire system. And so yeah, get you some dummy rounds and let me know what you think.